Alright folks, here's the question of the summer. You've got two high-tech pool robots in front of you. One's the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro, the other, the mighty AquaSense 2 Ultra. Both are absolute beasts, but which one's actually worth your hard-earned cash? Is the extra money for the Ultra worth it? Or can the Pro get the job done without making your wallet cry? Let's start with what they share. Both of these are 5-in-1 pool cleaning machines. That means they clean the floor, the walls, the waterline, the surface, and even clarify your pool water. You get one robot doing what normally takes 3 or 4 gadgets. So yeah, major win. Now, straight out of the box, both of these scream premium, but pick them up and you'll feel the difference. Ultra equals 29 pounds dry, 45 pounds when full. Pro, no, that's a little lighter, easier to handle. Both come with wireless charging docks, crab shell clarifier cartridges, and that sweet little retrieval hook for lazy folks like me. Here's where things start getting wild. The Pro has 22 sensors. That's already way more than your pool guy has. It cleans using S-shaped and N-shaped patterns, and it avoids lights, drains, ladders, you name it. But the Ultra, 27 sensors, 4 ultrasonic, and an actual AI camera up front. This thing builds a 360-degree 3D map of your pool, including steps and platforms. We're talking robot vision on another level. It even knows the difference between an oak leaf, a palm leaf, and a floating flower petal. We ran both through the gauntlet, tossed in rocks, leaves, fake petals, even some sand. The Pro handled most of it well, definitely cleaned the floor and waterline nicely, but the Ultra? It cleaned the mess, then went back and found what it missed, like it was personally offended something slipped by. Both bots clean the surface, but the Ultra's dual-side brushes and 6 guide wheels help it reach into corners, edges, areas other bots just push debris past. And if you've got a pool near trees, the Ultra eats leaves for breakfast. Both have the same 13,400 milliamp-hour battery. Up to 11 hours on the surface, 5 hours for walls or floor. Charge time, 4.5 hours. Here's the trick. Ultra is a little heavier, so Beatbot gave it smart drain. Before you lift it, it spits out the water inside, saving your back. You can steer either one around like an RC car, drop clarifier with a tap, or just let it run its schedule. But only the Ultra gives you access to the AI settings menu. Ultra has LED headlights. Clean at night while you sleep. Ultra also handles multi-level platforms. Great if your pool has steps or raised areas. And the Pro? It still scrubs your floor and walls like a champ. If you've got a standard-shaped pool, this thing's already overqualified. AquaSense 2. Pro around $2,000 to $2,100. AquaSense 2. Ultra between $2,800 to $3,500. Look, neither of these is cheap, but if you're paying a pool service $150 a month, that's $1,800 a year. These bots pay for themselves, fast. Go Pro if your pool is standard shaped. You just want excellent cleaning without the extra frills. You want to save some cash. Go Ultra if you have a complex, multi-level pool. You want next-level surface cleaning. You love smart tech and don't want to miss a single leaf. Honestly, they're both fantastic. But for me, that AI camera, the LED lights, and how it hunts down mist debris, the Ultra wins. It's like going from a regular vacuum to a self-driving Tesla. But hey, if you're more budget conscious or your pool doesn't need all that fancy stuff, the Pro's still a powerhouse. So, AquaSense 2 Ultra versus Pro. Now you know what you're getting for that extra cash. Check out the links below for pricing, deals, and promo codes. Let me know in the comments what kind of pool you have and which one you'd pick. Subscribe Technology X AI for more real-world reviews without the fluff. See you poolside, folks!